my dear first class children. Welcome to math class. Good morning. We are completed 3 chapters. Now chapter 4 subtraction up to 20. Chapter 4 subtraction up to 20. Subtraction. Subtraction. Come on. Say the spelling. S U B T R A C T I O N. Subtraction. S U B T R A C T I O N. Subtraction. Again. S U B T R A C T I O N. Subtraction. Again. S U B T R A C T I O N. Subtraction. Subtraction means take away. Come on. Read the spelling. S U B T R A C T I O N. Subtraction. Subtraction means to take away. Take away. To take away. Remove. How many left? Subtraction means to take away. T-O-T-A-K-E. Take. A-W-A-Y. Away. Away. To take away. Remove. How many are left? Subtraction means to take away. Understood? To remove. After taken away, how many are left? Left. L-E-F-T. Left. Remaining. Remaining. R-E-M-A-I-N-I-N-G. Remaining. Okay? Left. You have to remember this word. Left. Left. L-E-F-T. Once again. Subtraction means to take away. To take away. After taken away, how many are left? How many are left? To remove. After removing, how many are remaining? Remaining left. Okay, these are subtraction words. Less than. Less than. L-E-S-S. Less. Okay, enough. Less. Okay. Once again. S-U-B T-R-A-C-T-I-O-N. Subtraction. Subtraction means to take away. To take away. After taken away, how many are left? To remove. After removing, how many are remaining? Left. Remaining. Less or subtraction words. Subtraction words. Now I am going to show some activity, simple activity on subtraction. That is right on the board. Okay, Nana? Observe. Subtraction. S-U-B-T-R-A-C-T-I-O. Come on. S-U-B-T-R-A-C-T-I-O-N. Subtraction. To take away. After taken away, how many are left? L-E-F-T. Left. Or to remove. To remove. After removing, how many are remaining? Are less. Okay? Now see. I have. What are these, Nana? What are these? What are these? Balls. What are these? Balls. I have 5 balls. How many balls? I had 5. Come on, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How How many balls are there? 5. How many balls are there? 5. Now I take away 2 balls. Now I take away 2 balls. T-A-K-E, take, A-W-A-Y, away. Take away 2 balls. I take away 2 balls. See, I am going to take away 2 balls. Then, how many balls left with me? Let us count. 1, 2, 3. Okay, again, how many balls left with me? 1, 2, 3. How many I take away? 2. How many balls are there? 5. From 5 balls, I take away 2 balls. Then how many are left? 3. Then how many are left? 3. Here there are 5 balls. I take away 2. 1, 2. Then how many balls are left? 1, 2, 3. 5 balls are there. Take away 2 balls. 3 balls are left. 3 balls are left. This is called subtraction. This is called subtraction. Another one. Another one. Ready? Flowers. What are these? Yes, flowers. See, flowers. I had some flowers. How many are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many flowers I had? 4. How many flowers? 4 flowers. I want to give 1 flower to my friend. I given away 1 flower to my friend. That means how many I taken away? Take away. How many? 1. How many? 1. I take away 1 flower. I take away 1 flower. Then how many flowers are left? See, I have 4 flowers. I given away 1 flower to my friend. Then how many are left? I taken away 1. I given to my friend. Then how many flowers are left? L-E-F-T. 1, 2. Let us count. 1, 2, 3. How many flowers I have? 3 flowers. This is called subtraction. Listen. I have 4 flowers. I given away 1 flower to my friend. Then this is crossing. That crossing flower I given to my friend. Then how many flowers left with me? 3. Take away, give away, remove. These are going to subtraction. Another example. Are you understood? Next example. What are these? What are these, Nana? Ice creams. This is the time to eat ice creams. Okay? Are you ready? Okay. Do you like ice cream? Okay. Now, let us see. I have some ice creams. I have some ice creams. How many are there? First count the number of ice creams. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many ice creams I have? 6. In 6 ice creams, I ate 2 ice creams. I ate 2 ice creams. That means I take away 2 ice creams. I take away 2 ice creams. I ate 2 ice creams. That means I take away 2 ice creams. Then how many ice creams are left? How many ice creams are left? Are you understood, my dear children? Let us count number of ice creams left. Number of ice creams left. Come on, ready? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many ice creams are left? 4. Understood the concept? Once again, I have 6 ice creams. I ate 2 ice creams. Then how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4 ice creams are left. This is subtraction. Take away. Take away. Okay? Another one. Another one. What are these, Nana? Balloons. What are these? Balloons. Balloons. Okay? I had some balloons. How many balloons I had? Count the balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many balloons? 6 balloons. I given away 4 balloons to the children. I given away 4 balloons to the children. How many I given away? 4. That means take away. T-A-K-E. A-W-A-Y. Away. How many? 4. Come on. Cross out. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means I take away 4. I take away 4. Then how many balloons left? How many balloons left? 1, 2. How many balloons are left? 2 balloons are left. Take away. There are 6 balloons. I gave 4 balloons to the children. Then how many are left? This is called subtraction. Subtraction. Take away means minus. Small sleeping line. This is read as minus. M-I-N-U-S. This is the symbol for subtraction. See, now I am going to write subtraction fact. I have 6 balloons. Take away minus. How many I take away? 4. 6 minus 4 equal to how many are left? 2. This is the answer. Okay? See how to read it. 6 minus 4 equal to 2. Understood? First I have 6 balloons. I given 4 balloons to the children. Given means take away. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. I am going to cross out now. Those are given balloons. How many are left? 1, 2. This is shown in the subtraction. Take away means minus. M-I-N-U-S minus. 6 minus 4 equal to 2. 6 is total balloons. 4 is take away balloons. That means given to children. Left balloons are 2. 2 is the answer. 6 is big, 4 is small. We take away small number from the big number. We get a new number, that is called answer. That is difference. Difference. Okay, my dear children. One more example. Are you interested? Very good. See, I have some chocolates. I have some chocolates. What are some chocolates? I have some chocolates. But I don't know the number. I have chocolates. I have chocolates. How many are here? Count the number of chocolates. Yes. Come on, count. Here there are some chocolates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many I have? 7 chocolates. How many chocolates with me? 7 chocolates. I given away 3 chocolates to my sister. I given away 3 chocolates to my sister. Given away, take away. T-A-K-E-A-W-A-Y. Take away. How many? 3. How many? 3 chocolates. 1, 2, 3. I take 3 chocolates to given my sister. Then how many chocolates are left? Then how many chocolates are left? First I have 7 chocolates. I given 3 chocolates to my sister. That is going to take away 3 chocolates from 7. Take away 3 chocolates from 7. Then how many are left? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now how many chocolates I have? 4. Still I have 4 chocolates. This is shown in the subtraction. Total chocolates are 7. Take away. Minus. How many taken away? 1, 2, 3. Cross chocolates. 3. How equal to? How many are left? 4. This is called subtraction. How to read this? 7 minus 3 equal to 4. Once again. 7 minus 3 equal to 4. I had 7 chocolates. I given 3 chocolates to my sister. Then how many chocolates are left? We get the left chocolates by subtraction. Given away means take away. To take away, subtraction. Okay? Then how many are left? 4 chocolates left. L-E-F-T. Understood? How to read? 7 minus 3 equal to 4. 7 minus 3 equal to 4. We show take away chocolates by crossing. Left chocolates, count and write the number. Okay children, now we are going to our textbook part. See, here there are boys are there. Amit's birthday. Amit's birthday. He want to visiting Yes, his friends. Then he decided to help his mother by placing cookies on the plate. He wants to give sweets to his friends or cookies, biscuits or chocolates. He opened the box and keep it on the plate. First he has 5 cookies. How many cookies are there? Vitamin cookies, biscuits or sweets or chocolates. How many vitamin? 5. How many vitamin? See. How many cookies? Vitamin? How many? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cookies with Amit. How many cookies with Amit? 5. Today is his birthday. He wants to give cookies to his friends. That's why he taken cookies. How many? 5. In that 5, 2 are spoiled. 2 are crumbled cookies. Then how many cookies are in good condition? Good condition. How many are spoiled? 2. Total cookies 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are spoiled? 2. That means we take away 2. We take away 2. 2. That means we cross 2 cookies. 1, 2. Then how many are left? Let us count. 1, 2, 3. This is shown like this. Total cookies take away minus crossed cookies are 2. That means spoiled cookies. Then how many are in good condition to eat? 3. Now read. 5 minus 2 equal to 3. 5 cookies minus 2 cookies equal to 3 cookies. 3 cookies are good in condition, ready to eat. Do you like cookies? Very good. Now going to textbook part. Okay, my dear children. Come on. Take page number 51. Open textbook, my dear children. Take page number 51. Come on. Ready? So many objects are given there. See, that is going to exercise 4A. Take your pencil also. Yes. Take your pencil. Ready to write, Nana? Page number 51 in our textbook. Come on. Ready? Okay. First one. Cross out to subtract. One has done for you. See, the given one goes to like this. 5 minus 2. Here also they are given like this. 5 minus 2. Here, see, 5 pomegranates are there. How many pomegranates are there? 5. How many are crossed out? 2 are crossed out. That means I have 5 pomegranates. I ate 2 pomegranates. Then how many are left? Let us count remaining left pomegranates. 1, 2, 3. The answer goes to 3. Already they given for you. This is read as 5 minus 2. Here there are 5 pomegranates. 2 are crossed out. Left are 3. 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Go to second one, Nana. B. What are those? Strawberries. Do you like strawberries? Okay. How many strawberries are there? Here, subtraction is vertical subtraction. The numbers are given one below the other. Here, the numbers are given side by side. Horizontal, that means sleeping line, like sleeping line. Vertical, like standing line. Let us see the pictures. How many strawberries are are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are yet? See, 5 strawberries. How many take away? How many are yet? 1. That means we crossed 1 strawberry. We crossed 1 strawberry from right side. This one you crossed out. Crossed here like this. Then how many are left? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 5 minus 1, 4. I have 5 strawberries. I ate 1. That means crossed out 1 strawberry. How many are left? 4 strawberries are left. Go to C. What are those? What are those? Pears. 8 minus 3. How many are there? 8. Given subtraction is 8 minus 3. That means take away 3. Take away 3. That means we are going to cross 3 pears. Come on, start from right side. 1, 2, 3. Then how many are left? See here. Start crossing from here. 1 like this. 2, 3. Okay, minus 3 means we take away 3 fruits. Then how many are left? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 8 minus 3, 5. 8 minus 3, 5. Okay, understood? There are 8 fruits are there. We take away 3. That means crossed out 3. The answer is 5. Go to next one, Nana. Cherries. How many cherries are there? Count the cherries. Yes, very good. 7. 7. Given subtraction. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2. That means there are 7 cherries. We crossed out 2. We ate 2 cherries. We ate 2 cherries. Then how many are left? See. Come on. Start from here. 1, 2 only crossed. 1, 2. Now how many are left? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The subtraction is 7 minus 2, 5. 7 minus 2, 5. There are 7 cherries. You ate 2 cherries. Then number of left are 5. The subtraction is 7 minus 2, 5. Go to next picture, Nana. What are those? Yes, pineapples. It is so sweet. Okay? Pineapple. Given subtraction is 9 minus 4. 9 is big, 4 is small. We take away 4 from 9. We take away 4 from 9. Now how many pineapples are here? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now how many crossed out? What is the second number? 4. Now take your pencil and cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let us count left pineapples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are left? 5. That means 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 4, 5. There are 9 pineapples. We take away 4. Left are 5. 9 is big, 4 is small. We subtract 4 from 9. We subtract 4 from 9. Let us go to next one. Oranges. How many oranges are there? Given subtraction is 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6. We subtract 6 from 7. 7 is big, Now count oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now how many are taken away? 6. How many are taken away? 6. Now start crossing. 1, 2, from right side. 3, 4, 5, 6. Then how many are left? 1. How many oranges are left? 1. That means 7 minus 6, 1. 7 minus 6, 1. There are 7 oranges. We take away 6. How many are left? 7 minus 6, 1. We subtract 6 from 7. 7 is big, 6 is small. Go to last one. Lemons. Lemon. Lemon. Lemon anagane attuntundi. Lemon. 8 minus 4. Given subtraction is 8 minus 4. 8 is big, 4 is small. This is read as 8 minus 4. We subtract 4 from 8. 8 is big, 4 is small. 8 is big, 4 is small. Now count the lemon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I take away 4 lemons. Now I take away 4 lemons. Come on, take a pencil. Start crossing from right side. 1, 2, do neatly. 3, 4. Now how many lemons are left? Count, start from left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. The subtraction is 8 minus 4, 4. 8 minus 4, 4. There are 8 lemons. I taken away 4. Taken away means minus. 8 minus 4. Left lemons are 4. We crossed out 4 from right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are left lemons. 8 minus 4 equal to 4. Understood the activity, my dear children? Watch the video and write neatly in your textbook, my dear children. Table of 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. Okay, my dear children? We continue in the next class. Take care. Bye, my dear children.